Yo, what's going on, guys? It's JB Galvin here, back with another video, and today we're gonna be talking about tropics right now in Atlantic right now. So, hopefully you guys are having a great Saturday right now. So we do have two systems right now in Atlantic, and the tropics are still pretty active right now, um, in the November season. But we have Sata, and now we have Iota that just formed yesterday at the 4 p.m. advisory in the afternoon yesterday. So we'll be talking about Iota first, and then Theta last. So let's take a look at Iota. So Iota's only at this is 10 a.m. advisory. Iota hasn't strengthened yet. It's still at 40 miles an hour. I'm actually surprised it didn't strengthen at all yet. But soon it's going to be strengthening a lot. So this is projected to become a hurricane by 7 p.m. Sunday. So that's tomorrow. So gonna be strengthening quite rapidly. And then this actually, and the track has already the intensity already changed. So the track changed a little bit south, and then it looks like it's not gonna be a major hurricane, which is surprising because all the warm waters in the Caribbean are 90 degrees, and that should just really just strengthen the systems. But yeah, it actually changed. So by 7 p.m. Monday, it's projected to make landfall somewhere in the Nicaragua area, Nicaragua or Honduras area, depending on the track. And it looks like probably not gonna it's not gonna like go in the Gulf of Mexico. It's just gonna go through Mexico and then Central America, and then just die out. So I don't really I don't really expect it to be going in the Gulf right now because maybe still a possibility it could go north, it could still turn north, but it depends on the track or intensity. The wind speed probabilities are right now in the Nicaragua area, 70 to 80% chance of tropical storm force winds, and yeah, so 70% chance, yeah, the highest wind speed probabilities, and the hurricane force winds probability are somewhere in the 20% to 30% chance of hurricane wind speed probabilities in the Nicaragua area, and parts of the Honduras area. So gonna get some pretty big wins from Iota. And Iota's going the same path as Ada was back like from a week and a half ago when it devastated parts of the Nicaragua and Honduras coast. Um, so yeah, this is gonna devastate the Central America even more. So I feel pretty bad for them. So um, really quickly. So yeah, and also this the tropical storm force winds arrival time. Um, it looks like all the winds will arrive just from the Central America by between by Monday, somewhere Monday 8 a.m. So somewhere Monday 8 a.m. It's gonna the Central America is gonna be feeling the big impact from Iota right there. But Iota is still but this track actually takes it to be a high-end category 2 hurricane, and not a major hurricane at all before landfall. So I think I still expect like a major, at least like a major hurricane, but I'm thinking category 4 still category 4. Maybe I'm gonna wind it down to like 130 miles an hour winds before landfall. Since the track change. But yeah. If you let's take a look at the satellite imagery. The satellite imagery for Iota right now. All these convections are just really just blowing up, and the size of it is increasing as well right now. Just look at all that big convections. There's a ton of pinks and whites and blacks, and the convection clouds. That's indicating very cold cloud tops and very high altitude. So these cloud tops indicate like minus 80 to 85 degrees Celsius. So that's very cold cloud tops, and and kind of looks a little more disorganized than yesterday. But yeah, but the convections are looks like all the convections are to the south right now. But soon as get back together, then it's gonna wrap around that center soon. So yeah, all the moisture is building up right now. So it is all the moisture right now is affecting parts of the South America under the iota. So yeah, parts of South America are gonna experience quite some rain from iota. But the moisture is really building up and the size is increasing right as well. So this is indicating the storm is actually strengthening. So iota is still at 40 miles an hour wind, 106 millibars, but there are tropical storm warnings issued in the islands of the Central America. Yeah, the small islands. Don't know what they call it, but yeah. All the tracks take it through Central America and not turning north. And yeah, all the tracks are all taking it just through Central America, not going into the Gulf. So yeah, but the track may change to the north, depending how quickly it strengthens. All of these intensity guidance model right now. So intensity guidance models, some of them are getting to a category 2, and some are even getting quite a few are getting to a category 3. So wouldn't be surprised if it gets to like a major hurricane easily. Um, but yeah, but it looks like it's gonna get to a category 1 by 36 hours, so less than 2 days from now. So this is gonna be strengthening quite rapidly, but I don't know if it's gonna be strengthening quite as rapidly as Ada. Maybe or maybe not. But let's take a look at the GFS model. We are going back to 60 right now. The 12Z one hasn't really came out yet. So yeah, so this is GFS. So this is a GFS model right now. So it's showing Iota to be a strong major hurricane at the parts of the Nicaragua and the Honduras coast. And so it's showing to be a 955 millibar major category 3 hurricane. Oh, excuse me. So yeah, and it's showing it, yeah, making landfall and then bring lots of rain in parts of Central America, and also Central America is it's a very mountainous area, so it's gonna bring a lot more rain. So possibly gonna bring probably 2 to 3 feet of rain. So that's gonna be quite a lot of rain. So that's gonna bring some major landslides, big landslides, a lot of landslides, and bring additional rain. And after Iota dies out, there's another system that's forming in the Caribbean. So on November 20th, yeah, that system kind of develops into Kappa. The next system is Kappa, the 31 name storm. So yeah, if we get that, that's gonna be another record breaking storm. Yeah, 31. And also, yeah, and also showing another bunch of moisture in the Caribbean at November 30th. So probably gonna be Lambda. I don't know how to pronounce that, but yeah, that's gonna be 32 name storm. And also on November 26th is also my birthday, so I have 12 days left on my birthday. So I'm turning 15. I if you can just put down in the comments below and say happy birthday to me, and I would really appreciate that. But yeah. So yeah, I'm turning 15 November 26th. I'm kind of excited for my birthday. I mean, but yeah, yeah, it's only showing 2 more systems. So all the GFS models it's still indicating a active November system. So don't know if this probably is the I don't know if this is the most active um season and the most active November. Probably or probably not. I don't know. I think probably most active November. But yeah, CMC right now is also only showing IOTA to be much weaker, um, to be a 990 millibar strong tropical storm, and then bringing tons of rain. And then it's not showing any more systems after that. And then yeah, so let's check about HWRF. Let's check out IOTA. So this is what the HWRF shows. So shows IOTA to be very strong. So 943, 942 millibar major category 3, possibly even category 4 hurricane. So yeah, I still think this is gonna be a category 4 hurricane still, even though the track intensity has wind down a little bit. But yeah, oh yes, all the models are still taking IOTA to be a major category 3, probably a category 4 hurricane. Major category 4 hurricane. Yeah, and then making not making landfall and then going above Honduras this time, and then making landfall somewhere in the Belize model. So this model, the Haman one, is showing a IOTA to be much stronger. So 932 millibar hurricane. So that's category 5. That's around category 5 strength. So yeah, that's pretty crazy. So max winds are under 32 knots. So around 155 or 160 miles an hour wind. So that's pretty crazy. And those are making landfall in the Honduras area, and then weakening, and then just die out. Let's check out one more thing. So one more thing we can check out. Oh yeah, the Sata imagery I forgot. This is Sata right now. Sata right here. It looks like it's already died off right now. So yeah, really falling apart right there. But it's only at 40 miles an hour winds. It is expected to move north and possibly go into yeah, possibly in the Portugal area. But this is gonna die out pretty soon. But right now, probably it's right now close to the Canary Islands in Africa. But yeah, we take a look at the ocean temperatures. So the ocean temperatures right now for the Caribbean is very warm. So right now the Caribbean has the warmest the sea surface temperature as of like right now in November. The Gulf temperatures have cooled down a lot. So it's right now Gulf temperatures 26, 27 degrees Celsius, but in the Caribbean 30 to 29 degrees Celsius. So that's still very warm. Yeah, very hot water still. 88, 89, even 90, upper 80s and 90s. So we don't. So this is pretty unusual right now. So probably the warmest water ever in November. But yeah, guys. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Wishing me happy birthday in the comments, and let's hopefully get to 700 subscribers. Hopefully by the end of this year. And alright, guys. I'll see you guys next time.